Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a prototype pollution lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is privilege escalation via server-side prototype pollution. All right, so it's built on Node.js and Express. It merges user controllable input with server side. This is simple. Sweet. We need to try to add to the pollute the global object, see how we can do it, and then become admin or somehow get the admin panel. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. I don't know exactly how we're going to do that yet. Excited about that. Always good to have a challenge and be embarrassed on camera. All right, we will start like we always do. We'll just kind of browse a little bit, see what stuff we can come up with. All right, very simple. I don't think we have our own account, but we can try it. No exploit server, but we do have the ability to restart. We do have our own account. We can change the username. We cannot change the password. Let's check here. Show advanced. HTTP only. Server side. So we're not looking for like XSS in this one. I got to stop thinking that. It's server side. All right. Let's start looking for something that we can reflect any object changes in. We got, okay. Restart node, that's not going to be it. Here's a JSON. Is admin. Woo. Sweet. So this is going to be most likely our target. Let's try this. Let's send this to repeater. We have no CSRF. And let's add a JSON. I want to go to raw. Where are we? Can't tell where my cursor is. There we go. Do I do it like this? Or do I do foo? Let's just send this. That did not work. So what if we do like prototype? Look at that. That did work. So what if I just changed is admin to, so if I polluted to, this is a type, not a string, to true. And what we're doing, so we polluted the prototype object, so it meant that it already had a value. The code on the server side must just merge these together. Since it had a value, it kept that value. And now we are administrator. If I go here, admin panel, and we can delete Carlos. Pretty freaking sweet. Okay, so we have to log in, send a change address request, and most likely we don't have to do any of this. We can just send this. Oh no, we definitely need session ID. But that should be it. Yep. So we need to get the session ID, which I don't know what that is. Oh, it looks like the same as the cookie. So post this, access the admin panel, and delete Carlos. Sweet. Let's write that down so I don't forget it. I don't have Kate installed. My goodness. Sudo pacman-s Kate. Uh-oh. I feel like this is going to be a big package. Oh, no. Okay, cool. I just like Kate. Although I got to change the window color scheme. Edit to something Atom 1 dark. GitHub dark. Yeah, let's just do this one. Okay. Login to post address change with session ID field and is admin field. 3, visit admin page and delete Carlos. Cool. Copy link. Python utils create script. Paste that. I'm going to copy this and paste it. And then here, vim privilege escalation shop. And then we want shop.login wiener Peter. This is going to return a resp and cookies equals session ID equals cookies dot get session. And then we're going to post the address change. So shop dot post, I want to say data is what I already have, but let's look at it. It's in utils and it is in site post. Yeah, post data. Here we go. We need to provide it with the URLs and then whatever else we need. So post data URL and then data equals data should be it. Oh, cookies equals cookies like that. URL equals shop.base URL plus see what that post is. It's to here. Cool. We need to define data. It's going to be like this. We need is admin set to true. But remember this is, oh, and it can't be data. We want it to be JSON so that it formats it in JSON. And then session ID, I think is how they spell it. We'll check after I session ID. Whoops. Okay. Let's check session capital ID is admin. And we're setting the cookies. Cool. Let's do resp equals. And then we want delete Carlos. Okay, so we just need the cookies, and that's it. We don't need this resp. Shop.delete Carlos cookies equals cookies. Shop.is solved. Think that is it. See if we got this one solved. If so, I'm pretty happy we did that fast. Dang it. Proxy. Let me switch. 500. What did we, when we posted, oh, we needed to be JSON. Login. Let's modify our freaking, I'm gonna close this. We already have site. Login. That's URL here. We're going to say very bottom, JSON equals false. This will give us, the opportunity to send the body as JSON. So all we need to do is when we do the post, if self.noproxy, we're going to do if self, if JSON, oh, I can't name it as JSON. I'll name it as use JSON. How about that? If use JSON, if that's true, then we're going to send it a bit modified. We're going to change data to JSON. Else, we'll send it like this, like normal. All right, so that's only if we're using. And then we need here, if use JSON, we want this copied. And then here, JSON, else, indent this, indent this. Cool. Now, when we log in here, we can just set a use JSON equals true. Now let's try running our script. Hey, we successfully logged in this time. And lab is solved. Whoop, whoop. Awesome. All right. Well, that one was pretty straightforward. I mean, we found, so the keys to solving it, right, were to find a gadget that allowed us to reflect any changes or any pollution. So if we were able to pollute the object, the prototyped object, we needed to be able to tell that. And luckily we had this response that gave us that, returned the JSON and included any prototype pollutions that we had, which is awesome. Once we knew that that we successfully polluted it, then we tried to pollute the isAdmin, which is, that's pretty straightforward. And boom, we got in. Very cool. And we did that through, we just set isAdmin. Isn't this wrong? I thought we had to do like prototype. Here's where we got where's our post to foo? I think I did this wrong. Didn't we have a, but I don't see it in here. It was next to our 500, right? Oh no. I swore we filter, boom. We got my account. We logged in. Well, we just set the object and it merged them. All right, cool. It's too easy, too straightforward. I guess I don't understand that. But that was way easy. That would be like, that was too easy. We saw, I mean, everything we needed was right there. Like, is admin. Obviously, we can just change that. And we didn't have to put like dot or proto dot is admin. So did we actually pollute, or is it something else? Let me know what you think. This one has me a little bit confused. But that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks so much. Goodbye. All right, so this is just a few minutes later. I let the lab reset. And the goal here is to test out if we actually polluted the prototype. I'm going to go to proxy. This last post, we're going to send this to repeater. And I'm going to remove everything here. There, I'm going to go to raw. Just, that's going to be easier for me. Here, I want to do proto. Set this to an object with foo equal to bar. Like that. And what I'm hoping, hey, there we go. Okay, so that definitely polluted the the object type, because what we see is that there's no proto in the output. There's only this. And so we could then set isAdmin to false. So let me update this to change word proto. And then I want this to be a dictionary, isAdmin to true, like that. Wait, no, not that. That. Okay. And let's update this with the new IP. And then we'll try to solve it. Let's do it. Looks like we got it. Sweet. All right, so that's the proper solution there. Make sure we polluted the prototype and then modify the isAdmin. Right on. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.